Hey traders, I was just going through my watch list of stocks just now in advance of the open for the week. And one thing I noticed is that Roku stock has a very low IV percentile at the moment. So 7% out of my watch list. This is the stock with the lowest IV percentile. Just means IV is very, very low compared to the recent history. If we look at the charts, had a really nice run, so not surprising that we're seeing low volatility. And if we go and zoom in on the vol, you can see here volatility about 56% is about the lowest we've seen in the last 12 months. So looking at maybe a calendar spread this week, something like this, January expiry, selling the 295, buying the Feb 295, gives us a nice income potential relative to the risk. And pretty nice break evens as well. So about 8% on the downside and about 11-12% on the upside. Pretty close to delta neutral, just a slight positive delta. We've got positive Vega, positive theta. So this is a trade that I might look at this week, depending on how the market opens tomorrow. Obviously not a trade recommendation. Do your own due diligence, of course. But yeah, I thought this was an interesting one, and something that I'll look at from time to time is those IV percentiles. I'll be looking for stocks with really low implied volatility and really high IV as well to look at selling options on those high IV stocks. So Roku, definitely one with the low IV there that I'll be looking at getting some long Vega into my portfolio there on a Roku stock. All right, have a great trading week. I'll talk to you soon.